Hello, I'm Matthew Patterson, head of my Bio Honors project to find out which method of growing produce is more effective, hydroponics or traditionally with soil. I hypothesized that if a nutrient-filled technique hydroponic system is used to grow snap peas, it'll yield longer pea stems than a traditional method using fertilizer and sunlight. I think this is because hydroponics provides a constant supply of nutrients directly to the plant's root system. Hydroponics is commonly defined as the growth of plants without soil. Some optimal conditions you want to have is a pH range of 5.8 to 6.0, temperature of 65 to 80 degrees, and a relative humidity of 50% to 80%. The basic materials for this experiment are the PVC parts for the system itself, a water pump, a pH meter, the nutrient solution, fluorescent lights, plant baskets, hydroton, and 40 pea plants, fertilizer in pots, and 3 5-gallon buckets. Due to a lack of time, I'm going to skip over the next 4 procedure slides. However, you can pause the video and look at each step in detail. The control variables in this experiment are the temperature, humidity, light source, and amount of light per day, type of plant, and time of recorded growth. The independent variable is the method by which the plants are grown. So in other words, where do the plants receive their nutrients from? The dependent variable is the average growth of pea plant at the end of 1 week. Here are my results from trial 1. The average growth for hydroponic plants in week 1 was 1.7 centimeters. The average growth for plants grown in soil is about 1.9 centimeters. Again, please feel free to pause the video at any time to take a closer look at my data. My results from trial 2 showed that the hydroponic plants experienced a growth of about 1.6 centimeters, while the plants grown in soil experienced a growth of about 1.8. Next we have my results and how I analyzed them in my experiment. The hydroponic produce grew an average of 0.8 centimeters more than the soil plants over a period of 1 week. I found a study conducted by Dr. Howard Resch in which he found that pea plants experienced an average 800% increase in yield per acre when grown hydroponically. This supports my hypothesis and my results. Some pros to hydroponics is a lot more space, time, and water efficient. It requires less weeding, and it is very versatile, meaning that it can be effectively implemented in a wide variety of settings. Some disadvantages to hydroponics include a large initial investment in setting up a first system, and that the produce grown cannot be considered organic. Hydroponics could help combat the growing issue of world hunger as our population increases. If I were to continue this experiment, the next question I would ask would be, which hydroponic system is best for growing plants, as there are many, which I outlined in my research papers. This experiment has proven that using a nutrient-film technique hydroponic system yields greater plant growth over a period of 1 week. The data I collected matches numerous other experiments, such as the one conducted by Dr. Resch in a much more industrialized environment. I think his experiment serves as a better example for how this technology could be implemented in our world. I truly believe that hydroponics will come to serve as a vital part of our agricultural industry as our population and our world expands exponentially. Thank you.